Hey, what is up everybody? So I am making a Scratch game right now. I am calling it Space Clicker. I just wanted to show everybody. So click here. So if you don't know what Scratch is, it's basically a easy coding system where like there's building blocks instead of like having to write scripts. So you click this, you get some, you buy stuff. This makes it to where you get another clip per second, and once I get 50, yeah, so we can get this asteroid. It is 10 clicks per second, costs 50. And then you go over here, it adds a click per, it adds another click per click. So now you can see I get more clicks when yeah, you know what I mean. But I'm going to be adding some more stuff. So I forgot to add like a almost in and out in my other buying stuff. So I am going to put set size. So let me just go to this. So I did put it on this one. So what I did is, okay, so I set it lower, and then, so it's just, alright, so click, it goes in and out. So it goes smaller size, and then it goes to its normal size. So I'm going to do that for everything else. So I'm going to do this 80, and then control wait, I'll say 0.1 second or something. 0.05. Then I'll go to looks, set size back to 100. So now, no. So yeah. That is that. Alright. Sweet. So now I gotta do this for this one. This is, according to what I downloaded, this is Jupiter. So what I am going to do, so I'm just going to do the same thing. By the way, comment down what I should add to this. I'm thinking of adding like a secret thing that gives you like a bunch of that like gives you like a bunch of clicks. Trying to be as enthusiastic as I can. Boom. And boom. So yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna make a rebirth. So right here, I think I still gotta code this. Alright, so basically what it's doing, so when I make another page, what it's doing is it's not really another page, it just hides everything that was in the other page and then shows everything. Yeah, but so when the sprite is clicked, it will broadcast a message, shop page 3. So when this X is clicked, it broadcasts shop closing. So when the shop closes, it hides it. And when it goes to shop page 1, which is this page, it hides it again. When you receive shop opening, it goes to the first page, so it hides it. But when it goes to shop 2, it shows the arrow. And it goes to the front layer, it goes to, yeah, it's cool. So, we need to make it, so Jupiter, we need to make it to where when it receives shop page 3, it hides. So shop page 3 looks hide. There we go. So I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't have a back arrow. Okay, clicks per click. This is just to show what page you're on. I'm going to do the same thing. This Scratch program makes it really easy to get. Like, I tried to make a Roblox game, but the scripts are pretty hard, and that's just like a simplified version of like Python. Like, it's, yeah. Alright. Shop page 3. Hide. Okay, so I am gonna go here. So you see, it's empty. Oh, wait. Right here. I gotta make it hide too. When it receives shop page 3 looks hide. Okay. Boom. 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 There we go. So now I need to okay, I need to make another one here. Direction is going to be -90. So it's facing this way. Make it over here. So events. When it receives, shop closing, shop page 2, and shop page 3. So for these first two ones, it's gonna hide on both of them. But then for this third one, it is going to show, it is going to go to the front layer. I've had some stuff happen where it's like, when I do, like, I accidentally click on something, like the background, and then it goes to the, and then the background goes to the front layer, and it takes like 30 minutes to like undo everything. And so this go to front layer just helps it out so that you don't have to go through all that. We're gonna make it go to where it is right now all the time, so it doesn't just spawn somewhere. Okay. Sorry if I'm going a little too fast. Alright. Events. When this sprite is clicked, it will broadcast shop page 2, because this is going back. Shop page 2, and then it's gonna hide because you just have it there and it would just be doing nothing. So hide. There we go. So it goes back, forward, back, forward, back. You get the idea. Okay, so now I gotta make the rebirth button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to here, and I'm going to rebirth button. Images. Right here. So I'm just gonna save image as there. Rebirth button. This might not work. Okay. upload a sprite. Downloads. No. So what I do when this happens is I go to share drop. So share drop just like makes it to where you can upload images. Or wait, no, I gotta do this on my phone. So yeah. So on my phone. Alright, here we go. Jesus, that was big. Okay, I'm gonna have to size it down like a lot. Sorry if this is a little bit boring. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna make this do is it's gonna double how much, like, okay, so it goes right here. Now I just have to code it, so controls, no, events, so when I receive shop closing, shop page 2, shop page 3, so looks, to front layer, motion, go there. Alright, so now there we go. Yep, it's all good. Now I am going to, alright, I'm gonna have to go to here. I just have to make text. Cost, it's gonna cost how much should it be? Like a mil? Clicks. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna like start you over, and instead of starting with like instead of starting with 1 click per I don't know what I'm saying. Instead of starting with 1 click per click, it's gonna double that. So it's gonna double everything in the shop. So double 2x 2x clicks per okay. So now what we're gonna do, so this is gonna be probably the biggest code in here, so I will make a part 2 soon, so subscribe if you want a part 2. Bye. Please subscribe.